Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle boots on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is DailyShoes Women's. You think Huge Jackman is the only thing on the planet who makes a woman drool? Wait till your significant others see the features these boots possess. When it comes to showing sassiness and classiness at the same time, these are the boots to go for. Plus, whether you are walking on rough terrain or mud terrain, the shoes always win. They're probably the best motorcycle boots for walking. The whole structure of this motorcycle boot is made out of the synthetic fiber. They are unlike any other material because they are twice as durable than most of the natural fibers you will find in the marketplace. Hence, the synthetic material will keep it stain resistant for an extended period, and it will also make sure the product does not wear off. Weight of this model is pretty lightweight, which means you will feel very relaxed and not feel too hefty. Moreover, one of the critical factors of this motorcycle boot is the 3" by 3.5" zippered pocket storage. They enable you to place credit cards, cash, or even a butterfly knife. The zipper structure is made of an ultra-secure and safe design. You won't have to worry much about theft. Number 2. Our second best pick is Under Armour Men's Stellar Military and Tactical Boot. Riding while wearing a standard boot is okay, but riding while wearing a tactical and military boot takes you to a whole new level of awesome. So if it is another motorcycle boots for walking, they pack twice the punch and even more so. Moreover, these boots come along with a sleek all-black design that will make any man swoon. Speaking of the design, some people could find this boot to be too simple. However, it is this minimalistic structure that makes the whole thing even better. Besides being aesthetically professional, these tactical boots are made of high-quality nylon textile and leather, which makes the whole structure of the boot highly durable. Hence, over the coming years, your shoes will remain wear and tear resistant, and regardless of the pressure thrown at these shoes, they will be sturdy for an extended period. The highlighted feature of this model would be the fact that it is durable yet very lightweight. They allow you to make movements with ease, reach the utmost comfort zone, and ensure complete freedom during journeys. Furthermore, they fit well with your composite toe, giving you the protection that you need while riding in all sorts of terrains. Number 3. Our third best pick is Skechers Men's Pilot Utility Boot. Are you looking for the best men's motorcycle boots? Then I guess it is time to put a red signal to that journey because Skechers has already brought it on this list. This product comes with a professional design that looks very tough and provides extreme comfort. Even though it is a utility boot for men, it has been structured and designed in a way so that these boots can be used anywhere you want to. Materials used in the production of these boots are 100% leather. They make these boots very durable and extremely sturdy. Moreover, due to the leather, you will be able to use these boots in harsh conditions, and they will stay in good condition for years to come. A combination of a cushioned insole and padded collar has been inserted to attain a higher level of comfort along with immense support to the consumer's feet. While wearing these boots, you won't face the slightest feeling of suffocation inside the boots. The reason for this is breathable vents are inserted in these boots, which makes the air pass by quite smoothly. Hence, your feet will dry out instantly. The construction of this tactical boot is made through a 6-eyed lacing system, which features tonal stitching and padded collar. This makes the boots pretty swift and agile. These boots are exquisite when it comes to achieving complete comfort. They keep the feet in shape and doesn't wear out quickly. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Harley-Davidson Men's Scout Boot. Want to have the last say? Get yourself a Harley-Davidson boot. This is undoubtedly the best branded motorcycle boots. The whole thing is just aesthetically exquisite, and if it wasn't enough, there is a detailed metal logo placed at the shaft. A simple piece of detail, yet it creates a significant difference among other boots. Optimum imported leather is used to make this model, thoroughly stitched to perfection. This material makes your motorcycle boots extremely resilient and equally comforting. The well-balanced nature of these boots makes it one of a kind in the market. For uncompromising dependability, probably one of the oldest and most significant methods has been used to make the outsole of these boots. It is also a welted sturdy rubber outsole that is entirely slip resistant. Hence, you will be able to ride quite precisely and with style. Moreover, the sole of a shoe tends to get infected with corrosion by time. This is due to the low-quality method, which is used to produce most of the motorcycle boots in the market. However, that is not the case with these boots. Since they are made with excellent quality materials, they are entirely immune to abrasion. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is O'Neill Men's new logo rider boot. This one is for the aggressive riders out there and undoubtedly one of the best motorcycle riding boots. They come at a reasonable price regardless of the cool features and value it provides. Moreover, it's not just the price that locks in the consumer's attention, it is the sturdy designing of the product. Let's start with the obvious, these boots provide superior protection, and that is what sets it apart from the rest. These boots are fortified with injection molded plastic plates which will ensure enhanced protection from massive impacts which will occur during off-road biking. For additional support to your feet, a metal shank has been inserted to this boot. They reinforce the whole structure of this model so that you can make natural movements leniently. Hence, with such protection formulated in these boots, you'll be able to get peace of mind. A Goodyear welted sole has also been inserted to this model. They are one of the most premium and well-balanced rubber soles in the marketplace. Ensuring durability and proper grip is the everyday job of these soles. Moreover, you are also getting superior traction with the usage of these boots. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.